Are you look best pottery wheel machine on the market? Look no further. In this video, we will be discussing the top 5 best pottery wheel machines. These machines are sure to meet your needs and exceed your expectations. So, without further ado, let's get started with the list. List number 2: Mini Electric Pottery Wheel Machine. The Mini Pottery Wheel Machine is designed to satisfy the needs of both amateur and professional artists, offering you a pleasant ceramic experience. Using this pottery wheel machine will bring you more fun, as well as improve your hand and eye coordination, improve dexterity and agility. It can be used for making various designs on all ceramic materials, such as porcelain, stoneware, and stoneware-related products. Pottery wheel machine is equipped with adjustable speed of 0-1,500 RPM. Simply change the speed with the knob, getting complete control of your work. The Tool Mini Electric Pottery Wheel Machine is an all-in-one piece that can be used to make a wide range of ceramic items with its high-quality speed and anti-tension turntable. It features an automatic adjustment system and covers leak protection for your safety, allowing you to enjoy working on this machine without any worry. The fast and stable speed makes it a joy to watch, while the practical position of the handle allows you to work comfortably. List number: Yatech 25cm 350-watt Electric Pottery Wheel Machine. The Yatech 25cm 350-watt Electric Pottery Wheel Machine is perfect for businesses and schools. It is easy to use and the speed can be adjusted on the foot pedal. It is designed with the most advanced technology, which makes it easy to operate, low noise and pollution. The rotation direction can also be chosen with forward and reverse button. The machine is single phase, so it's safe and reliable. This electric pottery wheel can be used for pottery professionals and urban entertainment pottery makings. It has forward and reverse button, which makes the rotation direction choosable. This ceramic wheel machine is single phase, with 3-wire access leakage protection, which ensures a safe operation. The low noise level and spring power are features of this electric pottery wheel, which guarantees safety and reliability when working with heavy ceramic materials. List number: High-Free 25cm Electric Pottery Wheel Machine. The High-Free Electric Pottery Wheel Machine is a simple, easy-to-use clay sculpting tool. This machine is the perfect solution for students and professionals looking for an affordable solution that works. Its compact dimensions make it great for small spaces, and its smooth rotation provides flexible application options with ease. The ceramic wheel has a good rotation speed, which makes it easy to work with clay and make detailed designs. 2 wheels are included: one 8-inch OEM wheel and one 16-inch optional replacement wheel in gray. High-quality 25cm electric pottery wheel machine adopts aluminum alloy turntable and easy-to-clean water basin. It is durable in use and can salvage the puttings into them, and then apply compression molding, makes them a lot more beautiful and also smooths out their surface so that they are not extra rough, making it easier for you to get the perfect shape. List number: Electric Pottery Wheel Machine. The Electric Potter's Wheel Machine is a very useful equipment for pottery. It makes your work more comfortable and convenient. With its LCD touch-controlled and pedal-controlled for quick and easy speed changes, you can create different designs quickly. This electric pottery wheel is great for those who have never used a pottery wheel before and want to experiment in clay. This unit features a touchscreen LCD control and pedal controls on the front panel that allow you to quickly change speed and direction. There are 2 water-resistant LCD displays, one located above the control functions on the front. The rotating pottery wheels can withstand temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, so no matter how hot or cold your working area is, you'll always have a safe workspace with this unit. The wheel heads are the flat metal discs with large diameter of 25 centimeters, which you throw your clay on. ABS removable splash pans is for easy clean. List number: Tizoo Together Mini Electric Pottery Wheel Machine. The Tizoo Together Mini Electric Pottery Wheel Machine is made of a high-quality metal turntable that is processed colorful spray treatment, which is beautiful and resistant to corrosion and rust. With a compact structure and small footprint, it's easy to maintain. Mini Pottery machine is made of a high-quality mental turntable that is processed colorful spray treatment. This pottery wheel is suitable for making functional pots, vases, and other ceramics. Its low speed, fast rotation, and small size make it easy to use and convenient to store. The removable ABS basin of pottery tools can block splashing water and clay and keep the working area clean. It can prevent water from penetrating into the inside of the machine, so you will enjoy pottery experience worry-free.